reverse seared pork tenderloin, Cosmos Q barbecue rub.
Come on.
Come on.
So while John is outside getting the grill ready, I'm going to show you how to prepare your pork tenderloin. Now we took this out of a 10-pound pork tenderloin. A third of it went to another recipe, and 2/3 of this is going to give us a great smoked pork tenderloin. We're going to reverse sear it. We're seasoning this pork tenderloin up with some Cosmos Q Hot Dirty Bird. Once we get it done here, grill 225, couple of hours. See you outside. What's up, John boy?
What's up, man?
Hey man, thanks for getting the grill ready.
Yes, sir.
So we're gonna put this on the smoker.
It's our pork tenderloin.
225 degrees, about 2 hours. Prairie fresh, thanks. Beautiful cut.
Good looking
meat.
Piece of meat.
Put that right on the top. Before you close it up, insert the meat probe. We're looking for 125. While this rests for about 15 minutes, we're going to take the Gravity Series grill, crank it up to 600 degrees.
Reverse sear.
Reverse sear. Man, it's going to be good. See you in 15.
15 minutes.
Resting.
This thing looks incredible.
Crazy good. We've smoked it 2 hours, 225. We're gonna cut it in half twice, reverse sear it. Boom, boom, boom. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Look at that right there, my friend.
Oh.
They are going to go on in reverse sear for just 60 seconds. These pork tenderloins are just about done and ready to eat.
Cut them up into sliders or dipping pieces. You can see the juices. Yeah, freaking everywhere. And we mastered it. I think we did more than master this one. Recipe right here is worth repeating. There is no question about it. I'm gonna repeat it. I hope you guys do. Whoop! Cool. Subscribe. Boom. Punch it. Boom. See ya. Boom.